Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine and healthy. Today we are going to do practical. We have to type capital and small letters. Let's start. Students, this is the keyboard and by using its keys, we will type capital and small letters. Students, when we have to type capital letters, we will press caps lock keys first. Then we will be able to type capital letters. Look, it's A, space B, space C, space B, space E, space F, space G, space H, space I, space J, K. And for typing small letters, we will again press caps lock key. It will be off. So now we are able to type small letters. Look. A, space B, space C, space D, space E, space F, space G, space I. Do practice of it at your home. Stay blessed.